everybody? My name is Jonathan, aka kleinguyjon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're here at AW Hire in Colony with the event that's going on here, and we're here with Jose from Milwaukee in the electrical department. What do you got for us, Jose? What's new on this? So today I'm going to be showing you our new M18 Cable Stripper, right? This comes in the M18 platform, the M12 platform. It gives you a very, very compact, low-profile tool, allowing you to actually get into spaces where you are adding on to service. There's already wires in it. You're going to see that it comes with copper and aluminum guides. Going from 1 off all the way to 600 and 750. So basically what we wanted to do is give you a small profile tool, allow you to get that die in and out as fast as you can, right? And then you've got a preset depth on the actual blade. The three things we want to really focus on this guy is just a low profile. We want to not have an exposed blade, because a lot of times what some electricians are doing is that they are getting that MCM and they're using a hand cutter or they're using a blade or a knife and they're just throwing away at it. What that does is that not only destroys the conductor, because if you nick the conductor then you have problems with inspection, and also overheating of the wire. Correct. Exactly. So we ended up doing this. You have a preset on the depth of the lug. So let's say you're using an Ilsko lug, you go around 2 inches. You preset that depth and you lock it in. Once you lock it at depth, you actually bring your conductor and literally just let it feed itself. So as you're cutting through, you're going to see that's a very fast cut. And what it ends up doing is it leaves you a really, really clean 90-degree cut. The beautiful part of that is that it's so flush, so that when you bring in that crimp lug, you're flush to the conductor. Obviously, you're going to come over and you're going to do heat shrink on it, but right now at that point it's not even necessary. It's obviously the most compact, the safest tool, and the beauty of it is that you don't hit that conductor. You know, once again, it's very, very efficient, and it lines up also with our entire line. So now you can actually cut, crimp, strip, and knock out on one ball. What's the MSRP on this? We're going to be in that 12 to 15 range, around there. We could even be lower on the M12. It just basically depends. You know, if you're an electrician who's doing full service work, you're going to want to be on the M18 because you're going to have that platform already. But if you're a guy that's doing service, you're going to most likely be on that M12. So we give you two options. Same exact performance on both, just two different battery platforms.
Well, the big difference between the two is that the M18 platform is for the guys that already have the cutter, the M18 cutter, the M18 Stripper. For the service guys who are on that M12 cutter platform already, we don't make you switch batteries. They don't need to switch platform. It's stick to stick.
I'm on both.
Yep.
What's up, everybody? My name is Jonathan, aka kleinguyjon. Welcome to the channel, and I'm here to get my 45-foot tape measure stud replaced, but no one's giving me any results. But I got a rep here from Milwaukee. He's willing to give me one. I appreciate it very much.
To make sure to take care of our customers. There you go.
Thank you so much. And if you like good things that happen to people who go through weight, smash the like button. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell notifications. With that, thanks very much. Take care. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. We'll see you guys on the next one. Awesome.
You like that video? Why don't you smash that like button down below? Also, if you got any questions, leave a comment down below. If you want to see some tool reviews, tool demonstrations, or even some job site tag-alongs, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one.